everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial component for anyone looking to breathe new life into their Samsung CLX4195FW, CLX4195, or 4195FW series printer. We're talking about the replacement parts for printer PRTA 29776, JC950, 1676, A control panel assembly. This isn't just any part. It's the very interface you interact with daily, the brain behind your printer's operations, controlling everything from print jobs to settings adjustments. When this part goes, your printer essentially becomes a very expensive paperweight. Now, before anyone rushes to click Add to Cart, there are some absolutely vital details that potential buyers need to be aware of, and frankly, they're non-negotiable. The seller explicitly states that this control panel assembly comes in one of two conditions, either original refurbished or compatible new, and here's the kicker, it's sent by random. This means you won't know which one you're getting until it arrives. For some, this might be a deal breaker, and the seller is very clear. If you mind about this random assignment of condition, then it's best not to order. This transparency is appreciated, as it sets clear expectations up front. An original refurbished part would be a genuine Samsung component that has been restored to working order, while a compatible new part would be a brand new, third-party manufactured equivalent. Both are designed to function, but the origin and history differ. Beyond the condition, the seller also places a huge emphasis on careful verification. It's not enough to just know your printer's model number. Buyers are strongly advised to meticulously check the item's appearance, size, and color, and then compare it directly with their original control panel assembly. This step is paramount to ensure a perfect fit for their specific machine. The model numbers provided, like CLX4195FW, are truly just for reference. The ultimate determinant of compatibility is how the replacement part visually matches your existing one, and crucially, if the part number is identical. If the item doesn't look exactly like your original part, or if the part number doesn't match, then it's a clear signal not to proceed with the order. This level of detail is critical because even slight variations can lead to incompatibility, wasted time, and frustration. This replacement control panel assembly, despite the specific ordering caveats, offers a fantastic opportunity for those with a malfunctioning printer. Instead of investing in an entirely new unit, which can be a significant expense, replacing a faulty control panel can be a cost-effective solution to extend the life of an otherwise perfectly good printer. It's a single piece, as indicated by the package content, meaning you're getting the complete assembly needed for the swap. For anyone comfortable with a bit of DIY printer repair, and who pays close attention to the detailed compatibility warnings, this part could be the key to getting their Samsung CLX4195FW series printer back up and running smoothly. Just remember, precision in checking your existing part against the product images and part numbers is your best friend here.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.